Now on 60-second booze reviews, Lyme Bay's Garden Mead. So for those of you who don't know, Lyme Bay is a little winery based in Devon in South England. They make some really great fruit wines as well as sack meads or sweet styles of meads. The one we've got here is their garden. In my opinion, this is definitely their best one. Hands down, I think this is the most consumer friendly. It's very light, refreshing. It's the same as their traditional mead, a little bit lighter in colour. I don't know if you can see that. With the inclusion though, this one's got mint and mint stem infused into the fermentation. So what they do is they take the mead, they throw that all in. You get the mentholiness from the mint leaves themselves, but then with the stems you also get kind of this vegetal note, where you get kind of garden pea and lavender and things come through, and that's all again just from the mint itself. I do think this is one of their best ones. I think it's great for summer. You can drink it on its own, cold with ice, or even as kind of like a spritz with a bit of lemonade, soda, prosecco, however you want. Definitely one for summer.